Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're diving deep into a bike that needs no introduction, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa. This legendary machine has always been synonymous with power, speed, and style, and the latest iteration is no exception. Whether you're a long-time fan of the Hayabusa or you're just curious about what the 2025 model brings to the table, you're in for a treat. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the engine. The 2025 Hayabusa continues to roar with its monstrous 340cc inline-4 engine, but Suzuki has taken it up a notch with refinements that improve both power delivery and efficiency. The revised intake and exhaust systems ensure the bike breathes better, giving you that explosive acceleration that Hayabusa is known for. And with updated electronic systems, including ride-by-wire throttle and multiple riding modes, you can tailor the experience to your liking, whether you're cruising on the highway or carving up the twisties. When it comes to design, the 2025 Hayabusa stays true to its iconic silhouette but adds a modern twist. The bodywork is sharper and more aerodynamic, offering better stability at high speeds. Suzuki has also introduced new color schemes and graphics that make the bike look as fast as it feels. The attention to detail is phenomenal, from the aggressive front fairing to the sleek tail section. Every angle of the Hayabusa exudes speed and sophistication. The bike isn't just about raw power. It's also loaded with cutting-edge technology. The advanced electronics suite includes a 6-axis EMU, which controls features like cornering ABS, traction control, and launch control, ensuring that all that power is delivered smoothly and safely. The 2025 model also comes with a new TFT display that provides all the information you need at a glance, whether you're tracking your performance or just keeping an eye on your speed. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. The 2025 Hayabusa features a more refined suspension setup that offers a perfect balance between sporty handling and long-distance comfort. The adjustable suspension allows you to fine-tune the ride to your preference, whether you're hitting the track or heading out on a weekend getaway. In conclusion, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is not just a bike, it's a statement. It's a testament to Suzuki's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a hyperbike can be. If you're in the market for a bike that combines blistering performance, advanced technology, and timeless design, the 2025 Hayabusa should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and the latest in the world of motorcycles.